Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as Viral Lead. We will discuss everything in details about this product, but before telling you anything about this product or showing you my bonuses, let me make it very clear that I am going to get some commissions if you buy this product from the link in the description. Since I am referring you to the product creator, that is why he or she will incentivize me with some commissions, okay, without you paying anything extra for the product. So with that note, let us see what this product is, which is Viral Leads, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side as well. So let me show you my bonuses. So this is my bonus page, as you can see right here, and I have briefed over the product. This is the funnel. We will discuss about it, and these are the bonuses. This is the bonus number 1, the bonus number 2, and the bonus number 3, which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product, and so let's get started. Hey guys, as you can see, this is the product which is called as Viral Leads. So effortlessly generate all the leads you could ever want quickly with our new revolutionary viral loop funnel technology, all without spending a single dime on ads. Okay, so use this technology in any niche, no technical expertise required whatsoever. Get started in the next 5 minutes and see the results in 48 hours or less. Okay, so what this product is, what is a lead? Okay, so lead are the person's information that you acquire, giving out some bonuses, free stuff, or whatever you call it. You get the email ID, you get the phone number, whatever you call it as a lead, what you consider as a lead, maybe the Facebook ID, maybe through any means that you can connect with the person, that is called as a lead. You get a lead means you get a contact with that person. Okay, so the very much common nowadays is email. Getting email of a particular person will be considered as lead, but lead usually includes anything that is available to contact a particular person. So viral lead means gathering all the contacts. So why gathering leads is useful, or even we care for getting leads through this technology which is called as Viral Leads. Okay, so let me just give you an brief overview of how leads work and how and why it is very much important nowadays. Suppose you wanna sell a product, okay, and you promote through email marketing. Let us say you promote every product through email marketing, and you have one person to promote that product. So there is 50% chance that he will buy or he will not buy. But before getting to that 50-50 chances, there is another stage in which you send a particular message to him and he will open or not open. That is another case. And before opening that, there will be a possibility of getting an error to your server, or he just blocked out your contact, or he unsubscribed your list. Whatever the chances is, when you have a single contact, then there will be a very less chance that your product will get sold to that particular person. But before getting sold to that particular person, there are a lot of stages through which your product should go, and the person should find the product to be attractive that much that he or she is gonna buy the product from you. Okay, so when you have a single contact, that is the problem. But when you have, suppose, 10,000 contacts in your email list or 10,000 contacts in your phone numbers, then you spread a single broadcast of the same product which you want to sell. And right now, if you broadcast a particular message, then there is a very much possibility that out of 10,000, suppose let us say 5,000 of them open. Then out of 5,000, let us say 2,000 clicked on that product, and then let us say 500 of the persons brought that product from you. Then about 500, so when you multiply with your commissions, let us say $10, then 500 into 10 will be 5,000. Then $5,000 of profit through a single broadcast to 10,000 people. That is how the lead system works. The more you gather the leads, the more you will be powerful, the more you will get an the more you will get an authority on the market. Okay, that is why the leads are very much important nowadays. So with this traffic, I think I have uh, I have delivered particular knowledge regarding to the leads, that is, and how the leads work out right now. Now let us see why it is important to gather leads, no technical expertise, and so we learned how why to gather the leads, but now let us see how we are gonna get those leads. Okay, through this product. So 1092 visitors, 745 leads, $47,000 in recurring income. Money spent on ads, zero. Zilch, nada. Take a look for yourself. So this is what I said, that this is the power of leads nowadays. This is the amount of money that you can make through the lead system. The more you have the leads, the more money you can make through these systems, which is called as leads. Okay, now before telling you anything extra about those leads, let me show you what are the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you buy this product from the link in the description. So this is the viral leads. As you can see, we will discuss about what is happening in this page, but before showing you anything, let me show you what is the thing which I'm going to give you if you buy this product. So the first bonus, I have bundled up bonuses. The first bonus will be Social Ultimate, then you will be getting WordPress notification bar license, then you will be getting Ultima downloader, then you will be getting profitable Facebook ad agency, then Facebook live video engager, then Video Hub, web conversion videos, Facebook email collector, clickable images bot tracker, leads fusion elite. So all the bonuses, this is only the bonus number 1 which you are gonna get from me. These are random bonuses which will help you out in your viral leads software, which you will learn when you buy this product. Then every bonus in the bonus number 1 will have their own job inside the viral leads platform. Okay, now the bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you is simply more leads or more traffic. Okay, I will give you traffic is customers, buyers. So all these buyers and customers you will be getting through my bonus number 2, which you can then further convert into leads. Okay, so there is a process or transformation from where your your visitors to your site will convert into a lead. So this is what the bonus number 2 will help you out with. I will give you tons of customers, and that is after that your responsibility to convert them to your leads, gather their information, maybe their email IDs, maybe their Skype IDs, or whatever you can get. Kindly, this is what you can make if you have enormous amount of customers with yourself. Okay, so this is the bonus number 2 which I'm going to give you, and the bonus number 3 is very special and very close to my heart. And the bonus number 3 is money making courses. As you can see right here, the bonus number 3 will include 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays, the Profit Factory, the secret weapon. All these will be transferred to your account completely for free if you buy this viral leads from the link in the description. Okay, you will land on this page. When you click the link in the description, you will land on this page. After on this page, just click on these yellow buttons states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and you will land on this page of viral leads. When you grab this product through these buttons, then what will happen is all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. But there is a catch, and that catch is if you come after this timer hits 0, which is this timer, then it will not be my responsibility to get these bonuses to you, because it will be completely your responsibility after this timer hits 0, and I will not be responsible if you get the bonuses or not. You will see this page, but the bonuses will not I will not say it will not be there. It will be there. I have made the process to be automatic. but it will not be my responsibility if anything happens and you do not get the bonuses. Okay, but before this time it's zero. Whatever happens to the bonuses, I will be the one who will be arranging the bonuses to you. Okay, so kindly consider buying this product before this timer is zero. Now let us see a little bit detail of this product, which is the viral leads. So even our students are getting results. So 3,500 leads, 6,000 from 1,000 visitors. I made first sale online, then 11 sales, $4,000 as a reseller product, 13 new downlines in one weekend, 11,994 in webinar sales, 0 ads, 1,250 leads. Not one person spent a single penny on ads after they buy this product, which is the viral leads. So if you're, I am really very much sorry if I pronounce his name wrongly, but his name is Ifyok Nikem, and he is a very big name in this online and in this digital marketing world. Okay, you might be familiar with a few, which is ADA bundle, which sold for, I guess, $1 million plus in sales in 27 days. Sushi Cake and Video Tools 360, all these are humongous, and you can read it out a lot in this page, in the sales page of viral leads. All the steps you need to follow is choose your campaign. Number 2 is watch the campaign go viral, and number 3 is convert the leads into sales. Okay, so if it sounds simple, that's because we have made it to be that way, and I will show you how in a moment. But first, selling is believing, right? And there are a lot of things which you can see right here in this page. I'm not going to go into details of the sales page, but there are a lot of stuff right here. Kindly come and watch it at your leisure. Okay, the price of viral leads is not $197, it is $47, and it is one time. Free commercial rights included when you act right now, and all these will be completely yours if you buy this product from the link in the description. So kindly come and read it out in the sales page at your leisure. I'm not gonna go and waste any further more time on this page, but before ending out this video, let me again remind you of my bonuses. The bonus number 3 will be the 9 money making courses. The bonus number 2 will be 6 traffic courses. The bonus number 1 will be bonus bundle of various softwares you will require to work, function properly in this viral leads campaigns and viral leads software right now. So kindly come and buy this product. I have briefed about this product as well, as you can see right here, for viral leads funnels. And regarding to the funnel, let me show you what you will be getting as the product. So the viral leads will be the first product or the front end product. After that, you will be offered 4 one-time offers, means you will be offered once and that's for all. And if you buy this or not, that is completely your choice. You can pass it out, you can grab it, that is completely your choice. But you will be offered 4 offers after you buy the front end product, which is the viral leads. Then you will be offered, as I told you, the upsell 2, which is the unlimited version. Then you'll be offered the quiz funnel, consultancy, and done for the funnels. So this is about the funnel, and that is what about this product, which is viral leads. So kindly come and grab this through any of these yellow buttons, and that is all about this video. I guess if you have any doubt, kindly consider asking in the comment section down below. I will definitely reply to any of your doubts you will be having. And with that note, let us wrap up the video. Kindly consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon. I will meet you on the next video. Till then, take care and